Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Hurring at 10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Gas Authority of India Limited. It is called GAIL. GAIL is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of GAIL, and this is the price historical chart of GAIL, and these are all the indicators, technical indicators that I am using to do the technical analysis for GAIL, and these are all the graphs that are generated by these indicators related to the stock. And we have data for this GAIL since 2007 onwards up to 2017 November 9th. And if you look at the price trend path pattern of the stock, you can clearly see that since August 2007 onwards, the stock has been moving in the upward direction. And after making a new high, there is a consolidation phase, and that's how it has been so far. And after that, even sideway movement is also there. A lot of sideway movements, and this is a new high to in 2007, and in 2010 there is a one more high, and the same 2011 one more high, and 2014 one more. Yeah, I can say it's a high, or yeah, slightly, and 2017 one more high, and 2017 itself there is one more high. In 2017, two times this stock has picked up two times, and right now it is trading at 451 rupees 10 price. This is the peak price of the stock in all these years. And why? Because I mean, after staying in the market for this many years, still it is trading at 451. Why so? It is because a lot of sideway movement and a lot of consolidation efforts by the stock, and it has undergone two major super trend modes. And though the positive super trend influence are also there, but the phase is, I mean, the span is less. But right now, this stock is under the influence of a positive super trend mode, and it has already crossed its 20-day and 50-day moving averages, and it is trying to move up. But September, October, actually August, September, July, August, September, October, the stock was picking up. You see, you can from 361 to it has reached somewhat around 467. Okay, and in November, this is November candle, red candle, and in November the stock is going down, but the stock has a lot of potential, and though it took this much time because of the sideway movement and all. I mean, to reach that 450, it didn't even cross 500 so far after staying in the market for this many years. So we will try to find out actually what is it that is stopping the stock. But one thing is very clear: the stock is moving in the upward direction. But whether it is moving at a rapid pace, or whether it is moving at a slow pace, and what are the reasons, if at all it is if it is moving at a slow pace, that are dragging down the stock, that we will find out. Now, if you look at the technical indicators, the graphs of the technical indicators, this is the momentum graph, and if you look at the momentum, it is just playing on top of the baseline, and that's it. And there is a lack of momentum. That's what we can say. And if you look at the RSI graph, RSI is just brushing with the top line, somewhat okay. And if you look at the ADX direction strength of the stock, it is rising right now. It is rising right now, and even the green line, red line are also diverging. That is a good sign. Trade volume is slowly increasing. I am keeping a crosshairs here so that you can clearly see actually how it is faring, how the trade volume is faring. Slowly it is rising, right? Okay. Now stochastics, the fast line is on top of the slow line, which is very clear. That means the black line on top of the red line, which is a very good sign. Now, considering, I mean, we are getting mixed signals here. So stochastic is good, ADX is good, trade volume is also okay, and momentum and RSI both are down. I mean, down means not negative, but positive only, but not at the benchmark level, not at the expected level. Okay, so these two are the reasons why this stock, I mean, these two are dragging down the stock. Actually, these two are not supporting the stock to move at a rapid pace in the upward direction, and because of that, the stock is like is moving up, but at a very slow pace. So I don't think it will cross 500 this month. I'm pretty sure. So we'll come back to the stock later. But this is a highly recommended stock. I mean, this stock has future, and I mean, it will definitely not this month, but within the next few months, it may cross 500. That's what I can say. This November month, I'm not sure this will cross 500 because I'm not seeing much movement in the positive movement in both these two graphs. But maybe considering the ADX direction strength of stock is increasing, so thinking from that angle and the stochastic this thing, maybe in the next before this year end, there's today November, right? December. Maybe by December 31st or something, before that, the stock may cross 500. So that is the expectation for the stock. Let's see what will happen. So this stock is recommended for long-term investment. This is a very slow pace, I mean, slow rising stock. So we cannot expect, huge returns within a short span of time. So whoever is invested, whoever is interested in this kind of slow rising stocks, they can invest. So that is the analysis. But this stock is recommended for long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.